My name is Megan Moore. I am a biomedical engineering student. I am collaborative. Collaboration is finding skill sets in yourself and amplifying them with others. At LSU, the faculty are extremely accessible. You literally just have to go knock on the door and start the conversation.
My name is Neuhauser. I'm a professor of physics and astronomy in the College of Science and the director of the Medical Physics and Health Physics program. Megan and I are collaborating on a project that seeks to develop new tools for clinicians who are involved in radiation therapy.
I met Dr. Neuhauser through his TEDx talk. I was his artist. And from there, the project really started out in art. We 3D printed a human using art and engineering. And the collaboration of art, engineering, and science is kind of the foundation of this entire project, in that I'm from the engineering discipline, in addition to Dr. Neuhauser and his background, and he comes from the medical physics side. My art and my science with engineering have brought this collaboration into existence.
Specifically, we're trying to create a personalized phantom or mannequin, which is a tool that's used to measure the properties of radiation treatment fields for cancer patients.
This is Marie. She's actually a small-scale model that we practiced on for the larger scale model of the 3D printed human that we are using in the research. What we've done is we've taken a scan of an actual person and we were able to print it to true scale, where we have a 5'1" person that was a patient at Pennington Biomedical Research Center, and turn her into a medical model where we can do dose measurements for radiation therapies. Well, this research is really personalizing medicine in a way that it's never been personalized before, and that's really the beauty of all of these collaborations coming together.
LSU is an amazing place for collaborative research. The culture, the shared resources, and the willingness of individuals and groups to collaborate is really remarkable.
Dr. Neuhauser really challenges me to become my best person as a scientist. He really allows me to articulate what I find are my strengths, but also challenges me to find even more strengths that I did not know I already had.
Without a doubt, LSU is the most collaborative and collegial of the institutions that I've had the pleasure of working at. So with the right team, you can accomplish amazing things and have tremendous fun at the same time.
We are collaborative.